would you do that, man?
Why the fuck would you do that?
Donnie? We went to school with Donnie. We steal, man. We don't... Why are you here?
I think I dropped my wallet at the house, Trent.
And you come here? Fuck, man! Why didn't you just leave, man? You didn't have to pull the trigger.
What's wrong, Pat?
I'm leaving in a week. We can't do this to each other. I don't want you to wait for me to...
What are you saying?
I can't do this. I hope you find someone that cares about you the way that I can't. I'm sorry. I love you.
Asshole!
He saw my face. Jim said they'd stake the place out for weeks. Nobody was supposed to be there tonight. Donnie just came out of nowhere and said, "What the hell are you doing, Chris?"
You can't be here.
Trent, come on, man.
Make a good bit of cash. Go back to Baltimore. Go back to Canton. Help out Liz with the baby. Help out Fred with his doctor's bills. You fucked up! Don't you understand? This means prison. No matter where you go, no matter what you do, they will find you.
Maybe you should just come home. Nobody can say you didn't try.
A lot of people try, Mom. That's not the point.
Then what is the point? Just come back and I'll get you a job at Westland.
I'm not coming home. Stop sending me money. I don't need it. I don't need this either.
Come on, man, don't say that. We can...
Chris, it's done. I can't help you. Nobody can fix this shit.
What do you want me to do, man? I'll do anything.
You gotta leave. I'm sorry.
Please, just hide me, man. I'll leave tomorrow. I can't go to prison. You gotta have my back on this, man. We're brothers.
I love you.
Sorry, I lost my life.
Cut! Pat! What the hell is that? Pat!
Oh, man. Alright. If I get some more blood on my hands, this shit sucks.
You hungry, man? Can I get you a bagel or
I
something?
would love
After I pick you up, I'm gonna get you a bagel.
You're gonna have to some sort of bump.
I'm gonna go get that bagel right now.
do that, man.
You cut it, Mark. Mark, what did I say? I can hit the button, but don't ever say. What you do, no matter fucking we're restarting. Because I didn't say it. It's okay. Restarting. Here we go. 3. Scene 1, take 6.
Asshole!
Cut that.
Knew it was gonna play.
Also, Ryan talks about that scene.
I don't know what to do.
No, because I went down the sun looking here, and then it was just the sound.
I said, don't look at it.
Please just hide me. I'll leave tomorrow.
Microphone
I can't
in the
go
middle
to-
of this.
Please. Please just hide me. I can't go to prison.